To reset the maintenance light on a 2019 Toyota Highlander, you're going to press the push to start button 2 times to go into accessory mode. Once you're in accessory mode, you're going to use the buttons on the steering wheel to navigate through the screen. You're going to arrow over until you get to the gear icon, and then you're going to arrow down until you get to scheduled maintenance. Then you're going to press the center button to go into that. Then it'll ask you if you want to reset the data. You'll arrow up to yes and hit the center button, and then the maintenance light has been reset.